Most photographers think minimalism is easy. One subject, white background, and boom, here is your picture. But that's not minimal photography. That's just laziness. Most people misunderstand minimalism. But minimal photography is not about emptiness. It's about clarity. And clarity requires discipline. Today, I want to break down what minimal photography really is, why it's difficult, and how you can practice it properly. First, let's see how we can recognize a minimal photo and what are the defining factors. Number 1, clear subject. You instantly find out what the subject is about. Number 2, limited elements. Very few visual components. Nothing unnecessary. Number 3, strong negative space. Empty space that supports the subject, not distracts from it. Number 4, simple color palette, usually controlled or limited colors. Number 5, no visual competition. Nothing fights for attention. Number 6, immediate readability. You understand it within seconds. If this information is helping you, good news. More help is on the way. Subscribe and learn photography the simplest way possible. Now let's go deeper. The misunderstanding of minimalism. Minimal photography is often reduced to style. White wall, one object, soft shadows, but style is not philosophy. You can take a picture of a single chair in an empty room, but still the picture can feel visually noisy. Why? Because minimalism is not about the number of the elements. It's about the relationships in between. If something competes with your subject, it destroys minimalism. Even strong color contrast can break it. Even a small highlight in the corner can pull the attention away. Minimal photography demands visual control, not aesthetic imitation. This is the core principle, elimination. Minimal photography is subtraction. Most photographers think composition is about adding. Add foregrounds, add leading lines, add drama, add texture. But minimalism asks the opposite question. What can I remove? Move closer, change your angle, wait for cleaner light, simplify the color palette, control the background. Before pressing the shutter, ask one thing: what is unnecessary in my frame? Then remove it, then look again. I know, this process is uncomfortable because photographers don't want to lose something in the frame. Minimalism is about confidence. If your subject is powerful enough, it doesn't need decoration. And now I'm going to tell you why minimal photography is difficult. The reason is, minimal photography exposes weakness. You cannot hide behind heavy editing, complex compositions, dramatic skies, or busy scenes. If the idea is weak, image collapses. That's why minimal photography is powerful. It forces you to improve your visual thinking. It makes you ask what the photo is really about. If you cannot answer that in one sentence, probably your photo is not minimal. Now let's make it practical. In street photography, instead of capturing the whole environment, isolate one gesture. In architecture photography, remove unnecessary elements. Let the form speak. In portrait photography, simplify wardrobe, simplify the background, focus on expression. Minimalism works in every genre, but it always demands discipline. This is the final philosophy. It's not about absence, it's about precision. It is knowing what matters and having the courage to remove the rest. The fewer distractions you allow, the louder your subject speaks. Minimalism is not about having less. It's about saying more with less. If this video helped you understand minimal photography better, subscribe. What do you think about minimal photography? Comment me. Stay curious, keep learning. I'll see you in the next videos.